Today, we're going to walk you through installing upgrade rails into an air cleaner so that it can accept AprilAire Healthy Air filters. Upgrade rails can be used in AprilAire or SpaceGuard air cleaners, as well as in air cleaners made by other manufacturers. The installation process is nearly identical between the two types of rails we offer. Before ordering rails, ensure that you're ordering the right size for your air cleaner. For SpaceGuard or AprilAire Model 2200 air cleaners, you'll need our 1213 upgrade kit. For Model 2400 air cleaners, you'll need a 1413 kit. These include a set of rails and a Healthy Air 13 filter. Make sure to check your air cleaner's door to see which model you have installed. If you have an air cleaner made by a different manufacturer installed on your HVAC system, you have two rail options based on the size of the air cleaner. If the cabinet is 25 inches deep, our 4897 rails will fit. Cabinets that are 20 inches deep will require the 4898 rails. You also have two options for your filter, a Healthy Air 11 or 13. These two models have adjustable support so that they can fit into a large number of air cleaners. When installing these rails, make sure they fit into your cabinet securely and entirely, from front to back, top to bottom. To begin installing your rails, turn your thermostat's mode to off and the fan to auto. Now that your thermostat and HVAC system have been turned off, open the door to your air purifier and remove the filter that's currently installed. Dispose of the filter once it's out. If you are installing rails into an AprilAire or SpaceGuard, you will need to remove the plastic housing and the pleat spacers. These won't be used after installing the upgrade rails. Next, remove the rails from their packaging. You have two rails that will sit at the top and the bottom of the air cleaner, and four adjustable supports. Make sure that the flange on the top and bottom rails face each other so that the AprilAire filter can slide into the air cleaner. Snap the supports into the slots at the top and bottom rails. You'll hear a click that lets you know they're fastened. Do this for all four supports in the bottom and the top of the rails. Adjust the height of the supports to fit the height of your air cleaner using the wing nuts. You may need to finalize the height adjustments once inserted into the air cleaner. If you have a SpaceGuard air cleaner made before 1985, you will need to use screws to secure the rails to the cabinet. On an AprilAire air cleaner, you'll need to bend the tabs in the top and bottom rails toward the top and bottom of the outer housing to lock the frame in place. You are now ready to install your new AprilAire air filter. Make sure that the arrow on the airflow sticker points towards your furnace or air handler. After you've done this, align the bottom guide on the filter to the bottom rail on the kit. Fully expand the filter and attach the top guide the same way. Then push the filter into the air cleaner. Replace the door on the unit and push it closed. Once you've installed your new filter, return your thermostat to its original settings, and that's it. Thanks for watching. For more information on AprilAire air purifiers and other products, visit AprilAire.com.